こんにちは、バスケ情報局です。 NBA スキルコーチの DJ サックマンが腕を伸ばしきった状態でボールをコントロールするドリルを紹介しています。それでは見てみましょう。
You have to do a better job of being able to hang the ball and not bring it and not keep it too close to your body, because then you're limited. You know what I mean? If the ball stays right here when you're lateral inside, there's much less time that you have because the ball has to come back out. When you could kind of hang it and get it wider, now you have some more options, right? I want one bounce outside. The second bounce is going to be behind the back. All right, when you go behind the back, your main objective is to get there and be able to place that basketball down. So essentially, it's almost forcing you to get that dribble wide. So you're just going to be 1, 2, 1, 2. You're back and forth. All right, I'm not going to tell you exactly what to do with your feet. I want to see if it happens naturally, but that ball has to fully extend.
このように腕を伸ばしてボールをコントロールできれば、例えばクロスオーバーなので相手を大きく揺さぶることができ、プレーの幅が広がります。ここでケビン・デュラントとアレン・アイバーソンのクロスオーバーを見てみましょう。腕が長いからより効果的ということもありますが、2人ともしっかりと体の外まで腕を伸ばしています。クロスオーバーをしてもいまいち相手を揺さぶれないという人は腕を伸ばしきるというのを意識しましょう。最後 DJ サックマンがコツや注意点を説明しているところと、改めてケビン・デュラントとアレン・アイバーソンのクロスオーバーを流しますので確認してみてください。それでは。
You're still kind of tight. You're not letting that thing go. That's why you're struggling a little bit with it. All right, so same thing, a little bit more space, but you gotta feel and have the ability to extend it out. See, I'm just letting that ball go. Like, I'm easily getting there. I'm not exerting so much energy with my lower half. All right, that's what I want right now. So less energy, lower half, and just focus on ball placement with that extending. All right. Good, let it go. Better.